you and I were talking about the Arizona law where if you were stopped for, like, say, running a stop sign, a policeman could ask you to show your papers.
Illegal immigration obviously is the main topic of conversation these days, but I don't think anybody in America doesn't want legal immigrants. And if they come to work here, that's fine, who cares? But it's the illegal immigration that's the problem.
I feel that it does affect me. It affects everybody, honestly.
With all these hot seats that the immigration laws has just been passed or signed into law in the state of Arizona, and that really made me think, how would I explain this to my son about illegal immigrants versus legal immigrants? Being legal is a long hardship road, and that when you actually gain that legal status, it's something that you're really proud of. It's not something because you crossed the border and now you decide to live here and you just live here because they cannot get you off of the country. And because you have children here, then your children is entitled to this. No, it's not a sense of entitlement, and that is the wrong concept that we should not approach. It's a sense of working hard for it, and I think that is the whole platform this whole country was based upon. It's working hard to achieve that American dream. It's not something that just falls in your laps. I worked hard to get what I wanted, not because I feel like, oh, the U.S. did something to Vietnam and now I am entitled to this. No, I am becoming successful today because I worked hard for it. And success to many people have different definition. To me, being successful is to be happy. And to be happy is to do what you think is right and what you follow your heart. I will pass that on to my son as this journey continue. That, whatever it is in life, you have to work hard for it. Don't expect people to give it to you.
The work issue with people who are who need jobs, and other people, Americans, won't even take those jobs. I honestly don't think that there's anything wrong if an illegal immigrant tries to get that job, and they're going to, work.
We're all a land of immigrants, and I think we need to come here legally. My family came here in the 1840s legally, and Americans are out of work right now, and Americans need jobs, and everybody that comes to this country should do it legally. I support Arizona's law because the federal government fell down on their responsibilities, and there's people killed in Arizona and kidnapped. There's drugs coming across the border and gun running. And I wish the president would close the borders.
But I'm 100% behind Governor Jan Brewer of Arizona with trying to protect their borders. I think we need to do that. It's part of our federal law. And I'm for citizens coming here legally from anywhere they can come from, not just Mexico, but even Europe or anywhere else, that the Constitution rights apply to U.S. or citizens of the United States only. And illegal immigrants should not have the same rights U.S. citizens have.
Illegal immigrants still have their rights. So I think it's good just to be informed about it, so that you can make a better decision about the things that you say or how you feel. Unless you talk about these things, then you'll never know what's going on. So it's a complicated issue.